Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study GMAT on your own step by step. Start by taking a timed baseline practice test to see where you are and which sections need the most work. Next, set a concrete target score and build a weekly study plan you can stick to. Finally, prioritize official materials and regular practice exams to track improvement and adjust your focus. Create a study plan that alternates focus sessions for quant, verbal, and AWA with weekly full-length practice tests. Aim for deliberate practice. Review mistakes thoroughly and log error patterns to guide future sessions. Include short concept videos and targeted workbooks to shore up weak areas. Keep sessions consistent and time-bound so progress is measurable and momentum builds steadily toward your target score. Quick recommendation for focus study breaks. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading light, portable, and distraction-free, perfect between practice sets or while reviewing notes. If you like calming, easy-to-read study material, it's a small productivity win to carry with your planner. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice under realistic conditions by taking full-length, timed exams and simulating test day routines. Work on pacing. Learn when to move on from a question and how to allocate time across sections. After each exam, analyze every mistake, categorize errors, and drill the underlying concepts until they become routine. This cycle of practice, review, and targeted drilling builds accuracy, speed, and confidence for test day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.